If you run an online store, you already know how demanding it can be. Product listings, customer messages, ads, the workload never ends. But what if AI could handle much of that for you? Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that are making e-commerce simpler and more profitable in 2025. Let's start with Copy.ai. Imagine never having to stare at a blank screen again. Just type in a product name and Copy.ai writes a ready-to-go description for your Shopify or Amazon store. Next up, Pictory AI. Video sells, but editing takes forever, right? With Pictory, you upload a few images or text and boom, you've got a polished product video that's perfect for social media ads. No editing skills needed. Now here's a lifesaver, TDO AI. It's basically a smart chatbot for your online store. Customers ask about shipping or returns, and TDO replies instantly. It can even upsell, which means more sales without you lifting a finger. Number 4 is Jasper AI. Writing ad copy that actually converts can be tough. Jasper helps by generating catchy, persuasive ads for Facebook, Google, and beyond. It's like having a marketing team, minus the big paycheck. And finally, Shopify Magic. This one's built right into Shopify and uses AI to recommend products, predict trends, and personalize each customer's shopping experience. So there you have it. 5 AI tools making e-commerce way less stressful and way more profitable in 2025. Which one would you try first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips.